I'm Blake Watson with Epic Realty, and I'm standing on 70 acres of beautiful farmland, just 12 minutes from I-75 in Ringgold, Georgia. This family farm has just been listed for sale, and this is your opportunity to step into a new adventure where vineyards, open fields, and wildlife greet you every morning. This is the Vineyard Farm. Let's take a tour. As you enter the farm, you'll discover a landscape filled with mature grape vineyard rows. If you've ever dreamed of boutique winemaking, this is your opportunity. The land also has muscadine vines and acres of blueberry bushes. Beyond the blueberries and vineyard, you'll find dozens of acres of open hayfields. With the Vineyard Farm, you're not just buying land, you're investing in a lifestyle rich with beauty, opportunity, and adventure. A large pole barn sits on the property at the top of the hill. You'll find multiple building sites with plenty of privacy. Electricity and public water are readily available. The versatility of the terrain is remarkable, with rolling hills, level grounds, open fields, and wooded habitat. The farm has about 40 acres of buildable land and about 30 acres of floodplain. It has 1,490 feet of road frontage and about 3,300 feet of creek frontage. As you can see, the farm has hayfield after hayfield. And as the fields roll further and further back on the property, you find more and more serene and private settings. It's like owning your own private state park. The farm is so much more than fields, as you'll find an amazing haven for wildlife. The center line of the creek is the property line, and deer tracks are everywhere. Several acres are wetlands with beaver, duck, turtles, and deer. Imagine walking through the leaves on a crisp fall morning. You can do that right here. And of course, you never know what you'll see. The Vineyard Farm is just 12 minutes from the I-75 Ringgold, Georgia exit, 30 minutes from Chattanooga, Tennessee, or 30 minutes from Dalton, Georgia. It's ideal for an aspiring vineyard or winery owner, outdoor lovers wanting land rich with wildlife, entrepreneurs seeking a farm-to-table or agritourism venture, or an owner dreaming of a private estate near city amenities with a business upside. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. Schedule your personal tour of the Vineyard Farm with me, Blake Watson from Epic Realty. Reach out with a call or text 423-315-1815.